When you are pregnant, you need to be especially careful about the foods you eat. There are some foods that you should avoid altogether and others that you should eat in moderation. Foods to avoid during pregnancy include raw meat, fish and eggs, unpasteurized milk, soft cheeses and high mercury seafood. These foods can contain harmful bacteria or toxins that can make you sick and potentially harm your baby. So all the to-be mommies, today we will talk about the 6 foods that you should avoid during pregnancy. Number 1. Unpasteurized milk, soft-ripened dairy products. There is a possibility that unpasteurized or soft-ripened dairy products contain Listeria bacteria. This can result in a condition known as listeriosis. Listeriosis can cause miscarriage or stillbirth, as well as make your newborn infant very weak. Moisture is higher in soft cheeses with a white covering on the outside. Bacteria may be able to grow more easily as a result of this. Cooking cheese until it's boiling hot kills bacteria, reducing your chance of getting listeriosis. Number 2. Raw or undercooked meat and poultry. If you eat raw or undercooked meat, you run the risk of getting toxoplasmosis, which can lead to miscarriage. As preserved meats are not cooked, they may contain parasites that cause toxoplasmosis. Also, vitamin A is rich in liver and liver products. This can be harmful to your newborn baby. Number 3. Raw eggs. Salmonella bacteria can be present in raw eggs. Salmonella is unlikely to harm your unborn child, but you may become ill from food poisoning. Salmonella infections cause symptoms such as fever, nausea, vomiting, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. So before eating, eggs should be properly cooked. Number 4. Raw or undercooked fish. Raw seafood, especially shellfish, can cause a variety of diseases. These infections can be viral, bacterial, or parasitic, such as norovirus, Vibrio, Salmonella, or Listeria. Some of these illnesses are specific to you, causing dehydration and weakness. Other infections might be passed on to your child, resulting in serious, even fatal effects. It is strongly suggested to avoid raw fish and shellfish, which include many sushi dishes. But don't worry, you will enjoy it much more once the baby is born and it's okay to eat again. Number 5. Alcohol. It is strongly suggested to avoid drinking alcohol while pregnant since it increases the chance of miscarriage and stillbirth. Alcohol consumption during pregnancy might cause long-term damage to your kid. If you are pregnant or expecting to get pregnant, the best action is to avoid alcohol entirely. This reduces the risk to your child. Number 6. Caffeine. When it comes to caffeine addiction, you are not alone. According to the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, pregnant women should limit their caffeine intake to fewer than 200 mg per day. Caffeine consumption has been shown to restrict fetal development and increase the chance of low birth weight at delivery. Low birth weight is linked to an increased risk of newborn mortality as well as a higher chance of chronic disorders in adulthood. So keep an eye on your daily cup of coffee or soda to ensure that the baby does not get too much caffeine. That's all for today's video. Let us know if we missed any other foods that you should avoid during pregnancy. And don't forget to subscribe GeniusBae. Thank you.